Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with IRS Form 1040 ES payment plan step by step clearly. To register for an IRS payment plan using Form 1040 ES, start by gathering your financial information. This includes your total income, deductions, and any other relevant tax documents. Next, visit the official IRS website. Locate the Form 1040 ES, which is specifically designed for estimated tax payments. Download and print the form. Alternatively, you can fill it out electronically if you prefer. Begin completing the form by entering your personal details. This includes your name, address, and social security number. Next, compute your estimated tax for the year. You will need to review your previous year's tax return for guidance. Use the worksheet provided within the form to calculate your expected income. Make sure to include any credits or deductions you anticipate. Once you have completed your calculations, check your total estimated tax liability. If you find that you will owe taxes, you can choose how much to pay at this time. Decide on a payment schedule that works for you. You can choose to pay your estimated tax in one lump sum or in quarterly installments. After finalizing your estimated tax payment, complete the payment option on the form. You can pay using various methods, including bank draft or credit/debit card, depending on your preference. If you choose to pay by credit or debit card, be aware that there may be processing fees. Review your form for any errors before submission. Once you are satisfied that everything is accurate, submit. Make sure to keep a copy of the form and any payment confirmation for your records. If you have any questions or need additional help, consider consulting a tax professional. You're now prepared to handle your estimated tax payments effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.